ko. May opisina naman silang nakalagay doon, although I have reports that the office is not functioning as a normal office, it's just a virtual office. No? So yan yung mga kailangan. Sa Taguig to, yung opisina na to.
Sir, sabi ni Senator Ping Lacson, may mga ghost flood control projects din sa Taguig City. Will the NBI investigate this matter, sir?
Well, in fact, we're already investigating kasi noong 2022, meron siyang 11 proyekto dyan na somehow related dun sa mga pinangalanan ng top 15 contractors. Investigan namin yan. Kaya lang, since tinanong nyo, baka sabihin yung timing na naman. And anyway, public na naman yan dahil sinasabi ni Senator Lacson. So, I think we should mention it.
Director, may panawagan po yung Citizen Crime Watch na pagpatuloy niya raw po yung investigasyon kay Secretary Dizon kahit na napawalang sana siya noong 2021.
Well, may binanggit naman na dyan yung ombudsman, so I will coordinate with the office of the ombudsman what will be the direction. Ang malinaw ditong binabanggit kasi namin yung sa PISGO, yung mga unliquidated na expenses, sa rental, just to give you something. In 2023, may binayaran pa silang rental na mga 300 million. So tapos na yung event, may binabayaran pa din consultancy na almost 400 million. Malaki talaga na halaga na ang punto dito, meron ditong public funds na pumasok. When public funds is used, ang kasunod niyan, there should be accountability and it should be audited by the Commission on Audit.
Sir, kung inassign po ng interim chairman ng POC, base po sa dokumentong hawak po ninyo, si Senator Cayetano, meron ho bang conflict of interest po doon? Ay may problemang legal dahil ang POC po ay gobyerno, ang FISGOC po ay NGO?
Well, we have to check on that because when he was assigned, I think he's still the Secretary of the Foreign Affairs. Kaya nga nalagyan ng 7.5 na billion na budget for SEA Games yung DFA na kung saan nung umupong secretary si Secretary Teddy Boy Locsin, nagulat siya, isinoli niya yung pera na yan. That is on record. That is on record. Dito, hindi tayo nag-live selling o nagbo-broadcast na parang nagkakwento-kwento lang tayo. No? We have all the documents to support, the evidence to support, the testimony to support us. There are a number of individuals who are willing to testify on the matter.
Sir, are you ready to face Senator Alan?
Always ready.
Opo.
Yes, I want to see him. No? We came from the same law school. Nagkikita kami in the hallways of the law school before.
Salamat po, Director.
Wala na.